Welcome to Study Loop.
So for face center cubic, it is like this. So the square goes like this, okay? And there is only 1/8 of the atom and the corner is considered in the unit cell. If we suppose the length is, if we suppose the length of this cube is L, so this will be square root 2L, and in the square root of 2, in the square root 2L, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 R's in the square root 2L. So R of the atom is square root 2L divided by 4. So now we need to know how many atoms are in a unit cell of a face center cubic. So each face is 1/2 of the atom. We have 6 faces, so it's 3 atoms. And each corner is 1/8 of the atom times 8 corner is 1. So in total, we have 4 atoms total in this face center cubic. So what's the volume of 4 atoms? So the volume of a sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. And we have 4 atoms, so 4 times 4 over 3 pi r squared equals 5.9 L squared. Cubed. So it equals it equals point it equals 0.74 L cubed, because R equals that, and we plug R in here. So what is the volume of this cube? We all know that the volume of a cube is L squared. So what's the percent occupation? 0.74 L cubed divided by L cubed equals 0.74. and it's also equals 74%.